We are at Haya Beach! Hi! Here's my sister. She's on the bed. She's laughing. And she thought we were going to tickle her. And here's the beach bag for later because we're going to go to the beach. And here's the other red for my mommy and daddy will sleep. This is my bed and Andy's red we will sleep here. That is the table and that is the table, that is the table, that is the chair and that is the chair. And there's the bathroom. I can't do that. Oh. Here's inside the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. I thought there was going to be a tub. Here is the shower, the toilet, the trash, the bidet, and the faucet with cabinet and the mirror and lights. See you later guys at the beach and pool.
Enjoy na.